Welcome back to Financier Pro, everyone. Please subscribe, comment below. Here are 10 ways, the 10 best niches to make money online. Number one is fitness. Fitness will never go away. Fitness will always be needed. Weight loss, people are I see it all the time on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, working out. Those videos get millions, billions of views. Number one, fitness. If you're into that, you can just post up. Just make sure you're consistent because you want to catch the algorithm. You want to catch your niche, your market, things like that. If you're into that product, if you have products to sell, make sure you look fabulous on camera. Number two is related to fitness. It's health. Health is wealth. So if you have health products you sell, books, podcasts, coaching, things like that, you're a consultant into that field, social media, video marketing, content creation can help you a lot with that. Number three, dating. RIP to Kevin Samuels, but his videos got crazy views. If you just talk about that, think about the people that's left talking about that. They're getting crazy views. It's something about us as a species related to that type of topic are into that niche. So relationships, dating, always going to get a certain amount of people viewing that. Pets. If a pet market is a $1 billion market, never going away. People love pets. You travel, you can take care of pets, or your local town, take care of pet sitting, pet walking, adorable, nice dogs, cats, whatever. Those get views. Comedy. When it comes to comedy and pets, those get millions of views as well. So think about that. If you're into pets and comedy or whatever, those are always going to get views. Self-improvement, number five. I read a lot of self-improvement myself, a lot of motivation, whether it's a podcast or YouTube, whatever. Self-improvement is always here because especially when you're dealing with the mental capacity of things in everyday living, whether it's positive, negative, we always need self-improvement. Number six, wealth building through investing. Cryptocurrency, stock market, the market is tanking right now, Great Depression, whatever. That will always be talked about, especially as a content creator. Know what you're talking about. Do the research like I do. I do the research. And I try to give out the ideas out there so people can research themselves. I never try to make people think what I want them to think. I always give the research out there. And whether you read into it or not, that's up to you. Make money on the internet. Making money is always needed. Multiple streams of income like I'll try to produce on this channel, podcasting, whatever. My other channels that I use to make money with, my podcast just got monetized as well after 3 years. So things take time when it comes to content creation. Making money takes time. You're not going to get rich overnight. But as far as inflation, depression, or whatever you want to call it, if you have money coming in, you don't have to worry about that. Beauty treatments. I see a lot of women, men, makeup, wigs, eyelashes. I went to barber school years ago, so I know about these things. But if you do that and you have a following, you can make a lot of money selling cosmetics. A lot of people are going into organic now, animal cosmetics, things like that. Content creation. You have a following with any of these things, you can get the views and get the advertisements on there. And plus, you can sell your own product, you know, especially with beauty treatment. Gadgets and technology. There's a guy, I think his name is Malcolm or Marcus or something. I'm sorry if I don't know his name, but he started years ago when he was like I don't know if he was like 13, 14 years old on YouTube, and then he just kept doing it, persistent. Now he has videos with Bill Gates, Tesla. You talk about technology, gadgets, things like that, and you just keep going. It just takes years as far as YouTube to start making that type of money, but you have to do it. Do it every day if you can. The reason I'm not on here every day on this channel, because I have other channels that I'm working on with the podcast, writing books, things like that. So it will come. Just takes time. It takes time to build. Personal finance. Personal finance, that's what this channel is about. So if you know about how to make money, how to do this, how to do that, stocks, vesting, things like that, credit is involved with personal finance, because in America, you need credit, positive credit, to make it here. In other countries, you don't need, if you talk about credit, they don't know what you're talking about. So only right now in America, I know other countries have some type of credit system, but in America, it's all about credit and cash. Get started making money online with these niches. You can do affiliate marketing, Amazon, social media marketing, things like that. These are the top niches right now, and I don't think these niches are never going away as far as being the top 10 niches. If you know another niche, please comment below. But these top 10 niches right here, never, ever, nothing going to compete with them. Now, as far as content creation online, you want to find a niche that you can, like a sub niche that doesn't have a bunch of competition, that you can get in there and work your way up. Unless you want to spend 20, 30 years in personal finance, like this channel is almost 4 years, 5 years old, I believe. But there's other channels that's been out there for 10, 20 years, and people look at them making a lot of money. You're not going to start out like that. Start out small. Find your niche. Not every niche is yours. You know, find your niche, master it. Master it. Just keep doing it. Keep producing. And one day you'll make it. One day you'll make it, especially with content creation. So you guys, thank you for being here. See you next time. And I'm going to keep bringing the research to you. See you next time, guys.